Understanding, Give and Undertaking, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, give and undertaking. This phrase might sound a bit formal, but it's quite useful in various contexts. We'll explore its meaning, how to use it, and some examples to help you master it. So, let's get started. Give and undertaking is a phrase that means to make a formal promise or commitment to do something. When someone gives an undertaking, they are assuring others that they will complete a task or fulfill an obligation. This phrase is often used in legal, business, and formal contexts. Let's break down the phrase to understand it better. Give, in this context, means to offer or present something formally. An undertaking refers to a pledge or a promise, often with a serious and binding aspect. Combining these, giving an undertaking is akin to presenting a solemn promise to carry out a specific action or duty. Using give and undertaking in a sentence can elevate your language, especially in formal settings. Here's how you can use it. In legal documents or courtrooms, where parties might give an undertaking to abide by certain rules. In business agreements, where companies give undertakings to complete projects by a deadline. When making personal commitments that require a formal tone, such as promising to take care of someone's property. To help you understand better, here are a few examples. The company gave an undertaking to reduce its environmental impact within 5 years. He gave an undertaking to the court to appear for all his hearings. I give you my undertaking that I will return the book by next week. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, give an undertaking. Remember, using this phrase can add a layer of formality and seriousness to your commitments, whether in writing or speech. We hope this video has been enlightening and helps you use give an undertaking confidently in your English conversations. Don't forget to practice, and see you in our next video.